What if I told you that there are companies today where a single AI agent is quietly doing work for an entire team, and most people interacting with that company have no idea? There are no big announcements or viral layoffs, just fewer humans behind the scenes. What makes this different is that it isn't a future prediction, it is already happening. By the end of this video, you will understand which jobs are actually at risk, why this shift is almost invisible, and the one type of skill AI still cannot replace. First, we need to clear up a major misunderstanding. When most people hear the term AI, they think of chatbots, systems that simply respond to questions. However, AI agents are fundamentally different because they do not just respond, they take action. You can think of them as digital employees that can read information, make decisions, take action, and improve over time. For example, instead of someone spending hours managing emails, an AI agent can scan an inbox, prioritize messages, draft responses, and send them automatically, all without constant supervision. The important shift happens when AI begins taking action, because at that point it stops being just a tool and starts replacing actual work. So, will AI replace jobs? The honest answer is yes, but not in the way most people imagine. Jobs do not disappear overnight. Instead, tasks disappear. Every job is made up of smaller, repeatable tasks, and AI is becoming very effective at taking over the execution layer of those tasks. For instance, a marketer who once spent hours building campaigns can now use AI to generate ideas, write copy, and optimize performance in minutes. The person may still have a job, but fewer people are needed to do the same work. Over time, this leads to roles shrinking, which is how jobs are gradually replaced. This is why the change often goes unnoticed. Companies are not always firing employees. Instead, they are simply hiring fewer people. A team that required 10 people in the past may now only need 5, even though the workload remains the same. There are no dramatic major headlines or major announcements, just fewer opportunities over time. This is what makes the shift feel invisible, even though it is already happening at a large scale. Rather than focusing on job titles, it is more useful to focus on tasks. If your work is repetitive, predictable, and rule based, it is vulnerable to automation. Tasks such as data entry, scheduling, reporting, and basic customer support can already be handled by AI. However, this does not only affect lower paying jobs. Developers are now using AI to generate large portions of their code, and lawyers use it to analyze documents in seconds. This shows that the real factor is not job prestige, but how predictable the work is. If a task follows a clear pattern, AI can learn and perform it. Now, despite this, not everything is at risk. One category of skill that AI still struggles with is human judgment in uncertain situations. This includes understanding emotions, building trust, making decisions without clear answers, and creating ideas that feel truly original. AI relies heavily on pattern from past data, whereas humans can operate in situations where there are no clear patterns or rules. This ability is becoming increasingly valuable as AI continues to advance. The biggest shift most people are missing is that this is not a competition between humans and AI. Instead, it is a competition between humans who use AI and those who do not. If two people have the same role, but one uses AI to automate a significant portion of their work, that person becomes more productive and more valuable. They are no longer just executing tasks, they are directing outcomes. In this sense, the real risk is not AI itself, but failing to adapt it. When viewed from a different perspective, this shift presents a significant opportunity. For the first time, one individual can accomplish what previously required an entire team. A solo creator can run a business, and a small company can compete with much larger organizations, not by working harder, but by leveraging AI effectively. Instead of asking whether AI will replace your job, a more useful question is how you can use AI to expand what you are capable of doing. So there's no need to panic, but it is important to adapt. A good starting point is examine your daily work and identify which tasks are repetitive or follow clear patterns, as these are the most likely to be automated. From there, you can begin learning how to automate those tasks yourself. At the same time, it is important to develop skills such as communication, creativity, and decision making, as these are the areas where human abilities remain essential. So, to conclude, while AI will replace some jobs, that is not the full picture. What is really happening is a transformation in how work is done. Those who understand and adapt to this shift early will not only remain relevant but will gain a significant advantage. In this new environment, the key question is no longer what job you have, but what you are able to accomplish with AI as a tool. The answer to that question will play a major role in shaping your future. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.